Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and in this video we are going to learn how to add a progress bar to our site using the Elementor Page Builder. First, we need to go over to the left where it says Pages and click on all the pages. Then we are going to select the page where we want to add our progress bar, and in this case we are going to use the home page and we are going to click on Edit with Elementor. And here we are. Now we are going to scroll down to the bottom. We have a free section right here, and on the widget search bar on the lower top left we are going to type progress, and here we have our progress bar. We are going to click, drag and release on the open section. As we can see, we have a title for progress bar, the bar itself, and the percentage it is filled, and the objective it can be. In this case we are going to type goal, and we are going to use success, but we can change the color, and we are going to select a percentage of the bar, maybe 72%, and we can select if we want to display or hide the percentage. We are going to show it on this case, and on the inner text we are going to type our goal to have fun, and we are going to style, and here on the style we can change the color of the goal. In this case we're going to choose oh no, it was of the progress bar. Here it says, I'm sorry about that, and we're going to choose blue maybe, and for the background we are going to leave it maybe light gray, like that, and we can select the height. If we want to make it bigger, we're going to leave it empty for default, and we can select the radius of the progress bar. We're going to add a 20 so it's a little bit curved like this, and for the inner text we can select the color. We are going to use a white, and we can change the typography, the family, the size, the weights. We're going to keep it a little bit bigger, maybe 50 px, and add some 500 weight to it, and I think this is good, and the spacing is also good. We're going to leave them as they are. And for the title we can also change the color of the text and add some more prominent size, maybe 17 px. We can change the family, add some weight to it, maybe 900, and we are going to use a normal style for this one, and that's, I think it looks good. Once we have made all the changes we want to our progress bars, we are going to save those changes by going to the lower left and clicking on the update button. So that's it. We have created a progress bar and added to our site using the Elementor Page Builder in an easy and quick manner. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on the sites. See you the next time on Palatech.